In this quick guide, we'll be going through road rage. For this, you need to kill 30 zombies by running them over with a vehicle and repair one vehicle tire. This is very simple to do. Get into the map and find the closest vehicle. It can be quite literally any vehicle. Running over zombies is easy enough, but in order to get a pump tire and repair it, you'll need to probably jump over a cliff or something along those lines in order to land hard enough to break one of the tires. Otherwise, you can just generally shoot it out. When you've done so, hold F when you're standing next to the vehicle and you'll repair the tire. Simple as that. As you can see, we've already completed the second half of this mission, now just leaving us to drive over 30 zombies. This should be simple enough to do. Just find yourself an area with zombies outside and hit them. It's pretty much as simple as that. If you happen to lose your vehicle, it doesn't really matter. You can simply swap over to any other kind of vehicle. If you're looking to extract and looking for zombies as well, I'd probably recommend driving towards an exfil, as they're probably far away from you and you'll find tons of zombies in between. So for example, the only exfil here is down here. There we go, we're already at 16. It's super easy to get this done. It just depends how quickly you can find zombies more than how accurately you can drive. And with this, we should hopefully get it done. 29, one more, and we are done. There we go. It's that simple. Anyways, hopefully you found this video somewhat useful. Thank you for watching. My name's been Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao.